Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write meter square in laptop. Let's look at our data. Here, select the number, and on your keyboard press the Alt keys plus 0178. You can see the meter box symbol created. Add to this, enter map in the search box. Open the character map. In this window, select the square meter symbol. Click Select and then click Copy. Now, in your document, you can enter some number and paste this symbol by right-clicking and choosing Paste. You will see the square meter symbol. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.